Hello guys, if you guys are facing the too many purchase attempt cooldown, I will be telling you some processes that you can try to negate it. So you'll be getting a error like this. It looks like you've been attempting a lot of purchases in the last few hours. Please wait a while before trying again. So usually what happens is the waiting period is 30 minutes to an hour, maximum 2 hours. So the best method would be to wait it out. So if you want to try something else, I'll show you. So go to your Steam and then look for your payment methods or payment details and see if your payment methods are all valid and the funds are sufficient. So simply go to your profile and then account details. So from here you will see your account details. So go through your wallet and everything, so and see if your funds are there as well. So after that, what you can try is you can clear your cache. So to do that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to Steam and then settings, and then here from the left side you'll see downloads. Press on that, and then from here you'll have to clear download cache. As you can see here, simply press this button and clear your cache and then restart Steam and see if it works or not. So the other thing that you can do is before restarting Steam, you can end all processes of Steam, and also to do that, what you have to do is you'll have to right click on your taskbar, go to task manager, go to details, press on somewhere and then press S, and then scroll down a bit. You'll see Steam here, so press on Steam and then press end task and end all Steam processes, and then run Steam again and see if the error is there or not. So if you try all these and it still doesn't work, what you can do is take help from Steam support. So to do that, open Steam and then go to help, go to Steam support. It will take you to this page. So from here you'll go to purchases, and then here you'll see a lot of options. I can complete my purchase on Steam store, or I cannot do purchase on a Steam gift and everything. If your reason is here, simply go through it and then go through the options and then simply connect with the Steam support and ask for their help and assistance. Hopefully they will fix your problem. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.